United Trading Inc. was established back in 2006 by my father. We've been in business for quite a while now. We've started our second location also in 2016 in Dallas, Texas. We are in the food distribution. We import from overseas, primarily India. You can say has been about 15 to 20% growth rate overall. SAP has helped us a lot with that growth rate. We've turned close to a $30 million company, and we see ourselves turning into close to $50 million in the next 3 to 4 years. Working with ERP Logic, they made sure that my business process was not stopped. We were not down for not even a single day. We got everything rolling, and then on a Friday evening, we transitioned from my old system into SAP Business One, and by Monday morning, we were rocking and rolling. With SAP Business One, we have more security to the information that all of our employees in different sectors of the business have visibility to. We're able to scale now, we can have more users. Our sales reps in the field have better visibility of what's going on. So with SAP Business One and our collaboration with the vendor portal, we gave our vendors overseas access to that, where they're entering the information into the system. So when the product comes to our warehouse, all we have to do is just cross-check the product. It's all good, and we just hit a button, add, and it's all received into our inventory. We want to, rely more on the system and have less human errors during the entries and during the workflow throughout the day. So ERP Logic has helped me with our warehouse locations and bin locations, which we didn't have before, which increased efficiency of picking and packing orders with our employees in the warehouse. In the next 5 to 6 months, we are going to be doubling our warehouse size and moving further with our businesses. And I believe it's a big help with SAP Business One and ERP Logic support on a day-to-day basis. ERP Logic has been a great team to work with from day one. They've always been there to support, whether it's day, evening, night. And each time they get a better understanding of what we're doing and what we're not doing. Especially since I'm working with the same set of people that are dedicated to us. The team has gotten really good knowledge about our business, and they do know how to help us better in the future and how to help us grow.